Right, bear with me, right, this could be a long video, but as you know, I'm a beginner when it comes to the pigeons. I just started them in August. I'm basically learning myself as I go along and with the help of MD that comes on my page. But I'm going to be picking up my birds one by one. I'm going to probably send them scatty. I should be waiting to date the night, but I can't wait to date the night. I need to see what one this is came for. Right now, looking at them, they're all watching me like, they're all watching me like a hawk, man. They are. Obviously, wee champ, right? He was my first protocol, but he's absolutely fine. I know, darling, I've checked you out. Wee champ's absolutely fine. His bum, his feet, underneath his wings, his neck, his head, everywhere. So, come on, Carla. I've got to do it. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. If you guys can think if there's anything this could be, gonna please come across my page and tell me. After all, this is what I've started my channel for. It's to get help for other pigeon people. I might not have racing pigeons. Mine's in more Homer style. They're tumblers, but they're still pigeons at the end of the day. What goes wrong with your pigeons will go wrong with my pigeons. And right now, I'm terrified. I don't want anything to happen to any of these babies. Come on, up you get. Good, 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 good. Right. So we know Carla's alright. Eagle knows I'm coming for her. Just trying to get away. There's no even a bit of lice in my birds. Aye, they're a wee bit dirty. Right, they're pigeons, that can't be helped. But not. There's no a bit of lice, there's no a cut. There you go, baby. I don't know who I'm going to manage to get next. I'm on a mission. Keep me right when I say a number. If you've watched this video and you hear me repeating a bird and I've not picked up on it, going to tell me so that I can come back again. I'm not really interested in whether I'm holding it right now. It can't definitely go anywhere. Maybe be a wee couple of lice on you, but that's about it. Everything that was scruff, wasn't it? Aye, that's scruff. That's scruff. It's my big feathered boy. He's alright. Right. I don't need to remember your number. Who's on me? Champ. Right. Champ, Eagle, Carla. Scruff's been done, right. I think I'll go back. Do it. Sorry, I know you don't like it. I'm doing it all at the wrong time of day. Who's this vegan? 16, bird 16 no. Same again. I know vegan, oh it's strong. But no, there's no cuts. There's nobody hanging in the flare either. There's nobody hanging their feet. No, your ass is clear. Your ass is clear, babe. Look at that tail going right up. Look at that. So ass is clear too. Bird 16. There you go, darling. There you go. That's you. Right, I've just done your 16, your fluff. Who am I coming for next? I'm coming for... I think I'm going for you. Oh, he's a strong one. Same again. Nothing. The number. 17 I've got this time, folks, right? Oh, yeah, I know, biking, but I just want to check. Nothing, right? Nothing ever there, so that just leaves. You're a coke. 17's a coat, I just need his dance. Shadow. Right, I've managed to get Shadow the feather of the reins. Oh, come on son, I know. First time I've actually seen the colouring right under him. I know, big guy, I know, big guy. Can actually see there's gingery bronze. Wow. He's no one held, it's a shame, it's a shame. He's went away. I know, big guy, I know. Come here, come here, come here, come here. That's us, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, big guy. Come on, Shadow, let me feel. Yeah, nice, there's nothing. Nothing, my big guy's alright too. This is annoying me, folks. What can it be? Somebody please come. Nothing. Right, I don't know who I'm going to go from now. She gets I'm coming here. Jenny. Nothing. I'm disturbing them all here, and there you go then. Absolutely nothing, guys. I can't fin. Storm's sitting in tappy eggs. Oh, Autumn, I've loaded her. She's flying about, but I can see there's not a bit of blood on her. I can see there's nothing in her arse. If it's been out a fight, check the water dish. If it's been out a fight, it could have cleaned itself by now. Can't see any blood residue on my water dish. Taking that in anyway. Clean it. They all seem healthy enough. I don't know what this is. I really don't know. But it's definitely there. It's definitely there. I've heard the law. So off 16. You're a hen, you were off a wee. 17. Nah. There's no bit of blood on anybody. There isn't, folks. So their poos are all looking great. I don't understand this. If anybody can help me, this will be brilliant. If you can help me, it'll be absolutely brilliant. If somebody can come across, I mean, a lotion, I don't know. I need some help. I really need you guys that are watching my channel to come across now. And if you have experienced anything like this, tell me, like, would I try? Obviously I'm going to